Hey guys, welcome back to my channel That Style with Queen Core. In my today's video, I'm just going to be show you how you should have to be take care of your face at the night time. As in my previous video, I'm just tell you about the benefits of the faces, about the face wash at the night time. But in my today's video, I'm just going to be give you a direction of clean your face at the night time. So first of all, clean your hands properly with the soap or with the hand wash, because we in our hands have a lot of germs which is hidden, we can't see it. If we started wash your face with the dirty hands, that may makes the problem of other over the face. So first of all, wash your hands properly, then wash your face with the usually soap you have to be used over the other body part. Like usually you use soap, so clean your not hardly massage over it of the face, just apply and wash, so that just the dust comes out and little bit pores are open. So in the next step, wash your face with the face wash, whichever face wash you used, which is suitable to your skin. So wash your face with the face wash, massage it or the direction given to you how to use it. So on the next step, you should have to be take a moisturizer, your moisturizer, and mix that moisturizer with the lemon water or lemon water or the tomato water. So this liquid paste, so apply it over your face and massage it for the 4 to 5 minutes. After this, wash it. Now your face starts glowy and ready for means now you nourish your face properly. So after that, wash your face properly and clean it with the napkin. So don't let it dry. Fastly apply the night moisturizer over the face. If you don't have a night moisturizer, you can also able to be apply usually a day moisturizer, but mix 2 to 3 drops of sunscreens in it. Now some people are thinking, why the sunscreen? Because at the night time there is a no sun rays, but the sun cream not only prevent your face from the sun rays, UV sun rays, but also prevent from the dark spots or the other facial problems. So 2 to 3 drops is not a big deal. So mix it and apply over the face. Now you definitely get a glowy baby pinkish skin, because obviously at the night time the product affect your skin more as compared to the day. So if you do this every night, definitely your skin is prevent from the facial problems. So that is all about the today's video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my other videos also. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.